So with Bitcoin still pulling back at least another 1.5% today, let's talk about what we should realistically be expecting to happen next. Let's do it. So let's start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is up 0.05% at the time of recording and stands at $1.69 trillion. And Bitcoin is down 1.56% in the past 24 hours, which is 6.15% in the past 7 days, and currently stands at 42,232.17. And look, I want to talk about everything that's happened, everything that we kind of feel is going to, transpire in this, lead up to what I believe is going to be the biggest bull run in history and the longest. Now, there's a lot to cover off, so let's get straight into it. We're going to start here with BlackRock CEO Larry Fink. He says Bitcoin ETF approvals are stepping stones towards tokenization. And look, we've seen a fair amount of money pour in to the Bitcoin spot ETF. Nick and myself have been telling you to expect a sell the news event. This is basically where you see money flood in to, say, Bitcoin in this example, in the lead up to an event like the Bitcoin spot ETF approval. And once that happens and the approval, is come to fruition, you then start to see a sell-off. And that is what we're seeing now with the Bitcoin price. At the moment, it's doing everything that we kind of said that it would do. What Larry Fink is saying here is that, this is just a stepping stone towards everything becoming tokenized and on the blockchain. For me, this is really, really bullish, and something that Nick and myself said right at the very start of our YouTube journey. We said in many videos and many live streams back in 2020 that our expectation for this market was to exceed $10 trillion for a start. Again, stepping stones, but we would also see everything on the blockchain. That would be your stock market, your gold, everything would be tokenized property, like everything will be done through smart contracts and all that sort of stuff. We said this many moons ago, and I think that Larry Fink is right in a lot of what he's saying, that everything will end up on the blockchain, everything will be tokenized. Bitcoin won't be a currency, but it will be a store of value. Now, the thing that a lot of people aren't talking about is that you're going to see something very similar with Ethereum. In my opinion, we should next expect talk of an Ethereum spot ETF, and we will then see that start to have applications, and we will see the SEC also approve those. I think that these are the stepping stones, and then we'll move on to other blue chip blockchains in the space. But look, I think me beating around the bush here, like this price movements to the downside is a short time horizon kind of scenario. So I really do think that, these are opportunities. I expect there to be one more big opportunity between now and when we actually have the bull market. I think the Fed pivot, we will see a crash. I think that's going to happen, sooner rather than, not happening in 2024, which is what, is being portrayed in the media currently. But time will tell. I think a lot of this is all going to coincide with the Bitcoin halving, and we're going to then go off into the races, the actual full-on bull market. Up till now, bear market rally, kind of how I view it. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. We've got JP Morgan sees significant capital from existing crypto products pouring into the new Bitcoin spot ETFs. A newly created ETF could attract inflows of up to $36 billion from other crypto products like Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the GBTC, according to JP Morgan. So look, I think that a lot of people have kind of misread what a Bitcoin spot ETF is. I think they've misunderstood and misread the market as to where we're going in the short to medium term. But long term, I think that, we've got some really, really big things to be excited about. And I think, this article here is where people have, potentially misgauged what is happening right now. And we've got, somebody here, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏, whoever that guy is, believes Bitcoin will surge to $1 million within days or weeks. And I really just don't think that is likely. I've done some short videos asking your thoughts and opinions, so do leave those in the comments. But for me, I really can't see this actually happening. I think that it's going to be a longer time horizon. But I am super excited and maybe months away from seeing Bitcoin at about 150K. I think that is super realistic. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Moving on, we've got 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 delivers a critical warning amid spot Bitcoin ETF debut. And what he's basically saying here is that we should be mindful and curious, I guess, about everything that we read. And there's going to be a lot of scams is what he's saying. There's going to be lots of scam posts on Twitter or X, fake YouTube videos, fake posts on Facebook and other platforms. And we need to be really mindful and careful. If something seems too good to be true, the chances are it is too good to be true and it's a scam. What I would say is we have a free Discord. Link is in the description of this video. Join us there. If you see something that looks really attractive and you're still unsure, I would rather you check with us and we can tell you straight up whether it's a scam or not. Come into the Discord, let us know. Moving on, we've got AI-based crypto rating agency could flag dodgy projects. SingularityNet CEO 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 said that advances in AI could make it easier to produce summaries on reputation of crypto entities. Look, Ben is, a friend of Cheeky Crypto channel and myself. And, we spent a lot of time with Ben and the team. And over the many years that we've engaged with Ben and the SingularityNet team, SingularityNet ecosystem, it's got to be said that they really do know their stuff. And this sort of stuff is just, I guess weeks, perhaps months away. And is definitely something that is needed in this space for sure. We've got Google follows Apple in yanking crypto apps in India. So for those of you that are not aware, India is clamping down just like the UK, perhaps a little bit stronger in their approach than the UK, but it has seen an influx of everybody pulling out of India, and that's a real shame. I always kind of see crypto as a massive opportunity for people to get wealthy. Maybe this is a sign that the wealthy people around the world don't want citizens of their countries, getting wealthy. I don't know, just a thought. We've got the World Economic Forum, Davos 2024, a focus on AI and clearer crypto regulations. Always interests me seeing who's going to these things. Super excited to see what the outcomes are. The World Economic Forum is not something I am fond of, but, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We've got UN flags Tether USDT for fueling crime in Southeast Asia. Again, this one's doing the rounds. Could just be one of those sort of articles that's pushed out to push a narrative for another stablecoin. I always take these things with a pinch of salt, but let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. And the biggest narrative in crypto is coming, and you are about to miss it, and that is BRC20. The growth is amazing, and it's an important narrative for Bitcoin in 2023 going into 2024. And I think that this is something that is going to be monstrous, and people don't even realize it yet. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed that, go check out this video linked here. So much more that we cover off. Check it out now, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.